Si Satuyang Mace, please. Kaya na si Ma'am Cruzette. Prayer to be led by John Mark Mendoza, Consihal SK President John Mark Mendoza.
Let us pray. Let us pray. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
In the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Madam Secretary, please make the roll call.
Good morning. Today is June 26, 2026, the special session of the Sangguniang. Our presiding officer, Honorable Attorney Teorino,
Present.
Honorable Hardo Machanza Jr., is not yet around. Honorable Jeremiah S. D. Atienza II, is not yet around. Honorable Jerry R. Around. Honorable Robert T. Bulaong. Honorable Richard B. Detoon, is not yet around. Honorable Sir Jason Willintura Jr., it is not yet around. Honorable Daniel Coral, staying with Honorable Coral, and Honorable John Mark Mendoza.
Present.
May I know the existence of a quorum?
Honorable Chair, we have no quorum for today.
There being no quorum yet, let's have a recess until a quorum can be achieved. In the meantime, it is requested that all staff of the respective councilors of the Sangguniang Bayan of Libanon be advised to look for their bosses. Thank you very much. Recess for 5 minutes. Kindly arrest Madam Cruzet. Ay na si Ma'am Cruzet. Ay, sus Maria.
Or a majority of the member present may adjourn from day to day. May compel the immediate attendance of any member absent without justifiable cause by designating a member of the Sangguniang to be assisted by the member police force assigned in a territorial jurisdiction of the local government unit concerned to arrest Kaya siguro lang
Considering that the secretary is not around, arrest her. Ah. Kindly make the roll call again. May dagdag. Yun na, session resume. I have already declared the resumption of the session. Please make the roll call
Good
again.
morning. Today is June 26, 2026, the special session of the Sangguniang Bayan. Our presiding officer, Honorable Attorney Ariel T. Orino,
Present.
Honorable Leonardo M. Atienza Jr., Honorable Jeremy S. D. Atienza II, Honorable Jerry Artendero, Honorable Alexander D. Mendoza, Honorable Freddy Saropancia, Honorable Merti Bulaong, Honorable Richard B. Datoon,
Present.
Honorable Sir Jason Wilventura Jr.,
Present.
Honorable Daniel Coral, and Honorable John Mark Mendoza.
May I know the existence of a quorum?
Yes, Your Honor, we have a quorum.
Quorum having been certified and achieved, let's proceed with the business. Quorum is hereby declared. This special session was called by our Honorable Mayor, Honorable Edelson M. Marpil, solely for the purpose of passing an appropriation ordinance relative to the supplemental budget number 3 of LGU of Libman and Camarines Sewer. After the review of the Sangguniang Palalawigan of the said legislative measure, may we hear from Ma'am Marcel. Any explanation concerning this appropriation ordinance? Please.
Our presiding officer, our Vice Mayor, Honorable Arnold T. Orino, Sangguniang Bayan members, SB Secretary, my co-employees, good morning po. In behalf po kansa ko yung immediate supervisor, si Ma'am Adela ko, sorry po nakasabay sa yung schedule sa quarterly assembly kang Association of the Local Budget Officers held in Sorsogon po. Kaya ako po ngunyan ang ma-represent sa mong opisina.
Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yes, Honorable Alex Mendoza.
Naintindihan ta po na kang nakaagi pong mga aldaw ay nagkaigwan ning paapod po ang probinsya manunungod po sa itong supplemental budget number 3. Ihapot ko lang po si ang mga presente duman o kaibanan ba si Ma'am Marcel duman na makakatao po sa tuya ng eksaktong ideya o eksaktong informations kung ano po ang mga nangyari, ano po ang mga findings and recommendation. dapat si mga involved person na niyaon po duman ang dapat na makaatubang sa pagmanyanigi.
The manifestation of Honorable Alex Mendoza is well noted. May I know who attended last June 23
Yes po, Mr.
committee
Chair.
hearing of the Committee on Appropriation of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan?
Sorry po, I am not the one who attended. Ang nag-attend po duman si Municipal Accountant, Ma'am Juby, and the Municipal Budget Officer po si Ma'am Adele. Kaya lang po nga, mayo po
Dalang
siyang
Dua?
one. Opo. Kaya po, sa ano po, in her behalf po, takay po ng opisina mi, inanyo po ako, anuhan po ako, in-advise ako sa kuyang
Recess
boss
for
na-
2 minutes,
ano po,
please. Thank you very much po for coming in a very short notice. Ma'am Pilo, good morning po, Giraray. Ano po pag-send po ni kang opisina nindo kang mga notices? Kabali po na niyong attachment na niyong 1 and 2? Dae?
sa iya para sa regular session. Na i-xerox na lang ni attachment. Pero ini pong pigtatao pa man lang kaya niyo ni Ricky kaso ugmang papuli na nga.
Pag nagtatao po ng notice, manunungod sa mga special session, dapat yaon po ang agenda, yaon ang mga supporting papers. Ano po?
And resource person.
Recess for another 2 minutes. Ma'am Joby, please occupy the lectern and answer the queries of the August body.
Mr. Presiding Officer,
Yes,
before the recognition kay Ma'am Juby, igwa lang po ako ng kadikit pong kalituhan digdi sa letter po ni Mayor. Sa agenda po, ang nakakaag po digdi ay Amendment of Appropriation Ordinance 25-03 covering Supplemental Budget Number 3 of LGU Libanan, hereby specifying the source of funds for the other maintenance and other operating of RHU3 in the amount of 40,000 pesos. This special session is scheduled on November 11, 2025, 2 p.m. at Sangguniang Bayan Sessional. And this is signed by our good mayor. So, pwede makahagad po ng explanation kasi di ko aram, special session ba sinag-approve ka to o in-schedule tango niya ng special session na nasala lang po ang satuyang appreciation?
Sala.
For the record purposes. Kasi ang gabos pong dokumento na pirmado ni Mayor, dahil ito nasasabihon niya na ginibo ni kang iba, gibo na ni Mayor. So, to avoid this, dapat careful kita sa pagpapaluwas ng mga papapirmahan tapo kay Mayor na kuharog ka ni. Ako, with all due respect, saro kita digdi sa LGU. So, i-reflection po ini kang opisina. Ano po ba ni? Ano ba ni? Ining supplemental budgetary ay inapruban mi under special session kang November 11 or call for special session ini today?
Can I answer?
Please answer. Ma'am Pilo.
My fault po. Sorry. Ito po kayang last sentence. I-copy-paste ko po ito duman sa previous na special session na pigpaapod kang last year. So, day ko na po na-edit dahil kasi nagra-rush po ako kang time na pigahabol ko. So, sorry po. My fault.
Okay. So this should be deleted. The second sentence of
Yes po. The last sentence.
item number 1 should be deleted.
The last sentence po.
The special session is scheduled on support.
Actually, Mr. Presiding Officer, during
Yes.
the receive of this communication, I have already ventilated this matter to the persons bring this document. Sinabi ko na sa iya na may problema niya ako ang communication na tigpadala nindo.
Okay.
And I don't know if the person bring this document relay the informations to Ma'am Pilo.
Okay. Please be very candid about notices, especially on special sessions. Follow the rules, follow what the local government code speaks. Okay? Please, very vigilant. Yes. Ma'am, pinaapon mo po ika. Ika po si sa mga nag-attender katong committee hearing kang Committee on APRO kang Sangguniang Palalawigan kan June 23, 2026. Maaraman mi lang po kung ano yung mga sinabi nindang remedyo para maipasarta na ning supplemental budget number 3.
Okay. Good morning po. When we attended the committee hearing for the supplemental budget number 3 of LGU Libmanan, we were advised to make the necessary changes regarding this ordinance that we have submitted to the province. Kasi the main issue there is the 40,000, is the 40,000 appropriation which cannot be found in the annual budget submitted to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. So, but we maintain also the position that the amount of 40,000 is included in the annual budget, only it is not specified that it is coming from the cancer awareness and the Operation Tuli, but instead, it is included in the other MOOE account of the LGU. So, therefore, we come up to the solution that we just have to specify that the source of fund, we have to specifically state that the source of fund would be the other MOOE of the RHU3 office. And then, we made that in the draft that we have to state there that the source of fund is in the annual budget, there is indeed an appropriation for other MOE in the amount of 420,000. And then, ang ginamit na po duman sa tuyang source of fund, kang supplemental number 3, is for the cancer awareness and then the Operation Tuli. But those two items are part of the other MOOE account of the RHU3. So, the fund is not existing. So, we just have to explain, we have to just specifically state na iyon, Operation Tuli and Cancer Awareness is part of the other MOOE expense account of the RHU3 office as stipulated in the annual budget of 2025 kang LGU.
So,
ganun
boss
po.
ma'am, na ini pong page tong iniyo kang
Yes,
notice.
we have to revise that.
Iyon na po ni ang revise
Yes.
na
Yes, sir.
iyon na po ni ang maluwas sa tuyang supplemental budget number 3.
Yes po. Iyon na po ni.
So, mayo na si Operation Tuli saka si Cancer Awareness.
Mayo na po siya kasi ito po kaya enumeration lang to. Pero po ining ito pong Cancer Awareness and then Operation Tuli, nyaon man po sa other
Other.
MOOE.
Mm.
So, nyaon man po siya duman. So, abo lang indang maglaag pa kay ang ano lang po, they may man dapat ilaag tong mga Operation Tuli digdi sa form na ini because itong annual budget they man naka-compress ito 420,000 for other MOOE. Itong mga bagay na cancer awareness and Operation Tuli, iyon lang to si breakdown na nyaon sa to. Pero itong amount na other MOOE, ito ang nakalag sa annual budget na which we submitted to the province. So, existing po ang amount na duman po sa annual budget, ang nakalag pong other MOO is 420,000. Kung i-breakdown mo to, duman malaog itong cancer awareness saka itong Operation Tuli.
Ini yung ordinance na ipapasarmi
Opo.
na big draft nindo.
Opo.
An ordinance amending appropriation ordinance number 25-03 referring to supplemental budget number 3 for
yes.
2025 covering supplemental budget number 3 of the LGU of Limanan. Dapat nga ni whereby ni bang on thereby.
Iya po,
Whereby. Whereby specifying the source of funds. So, very specific na nga nitong cancer awareness pagkatapos Operation Tuli, naging very general lugod sa under maintenance and operating expenses.
Kasi po, iduman po sa annual budget na submitted po sa sangguni ang panlalawigan, mayo man po tong mga cancer awareness and operation tuli. So ang files po nindang niya on duman, other MOO lang.
Other MOO
Yes.
link.
Mayo po to. Kaya nagsasabi Sinda that they cannot find those two items na cancer awareness and operation tuli. Dahil hindi na nahihiling sa annual budget kang LGU. Totoo, dahil hindi na mahihiling kasi niya lang sa tudig si breakdown. Pero itong sinabmita pong annual budget, lump sum na 420,000. Iyo po to.
Okay na daan niyo kung ipapasarmi niyong draft niyong ordinance number. Ha?
Anong,
Na page 3. Igwa ka ng page 3, ma'am.
ini po si draft. So far
Oh,
po,
ma naman si page 3 mo. Hain si page 3. Ha? Saro na naman lang ang saro lang ang pinasirox nindo. Si ordinansa day naman. Sige daw. Ay, ano na yan? Simpleng bagay. Marinta day na kita live.
Dahil kita live? Live? Si Say po, Ma'am Juby, ang nyaraon duman sa hearing.
ang niya po, si
Sa part ng reviewing.
sa reviewing po si Ma'am Lea Yamson saka si Sir Dindo Nocete, and then sa province po si Board Member Nocpra, Board Member Warren Senior, si Board Member Hernandez, and di kong kayo bisto tong sarap. Di ko po.
Ano po ang mga recommendations hali sa lambang saro po sa inda?
So far po, yung man po ni si mga recommendations ninda, kung actually we were referred to the technical para for the kasi nag-brief man po sa inda si Ma'am Lea kung ano talaga si problema, and then siguro po ang ninda, we have just to come up with the proper forms, and then we have
So
to
once we
submit.
complied,
Siguro po, then they will take this up, they will take this matter duman po sa ninda kung ano ang magiging recommendation. So far, we comply naman po si mga findings ng technical ninda. So, itasubmit na lang po sa inyo.
So nagluluwas po duman sa committee hearing na to na naghahapot man ang mga bukal ko ano talaga ang dapat na remedyo.
Actually, ang po ninda, kung ano talaga anong nangyari, gano'n, kung tapos then the proper remedy, kung paano, po. Tangarig maayos man ining sa tong supplemental budget.
So naghagad po sinda ning tabang sa technical committee kang reviewing
Kasi po,
Body?
Yan po kay atong technical, pag garo pa pag-arog, just like here, kung ano niya man tong technical nila, and then kung ano talaga ang kasi po itong dapat maano man kung ano talaga si naging defect, kasi yun man to si mga naggibugarong findings, so they have to explain also kung ano ta ang nangyari, and then sinda man po ang nag-oral.
igwa na po kamong kopya kang page 3 ining ordinance mismo. Recess for 2 minutes. Ano pong komento mo duman sa sinabi ni Konsihal Alex Mendoza na ang date kani as of July 31, 2025, referring to the sworn statement of funds available for realignment? What should be the proper date?
Ano ko po, kung if it will be as of June 30, as of June 2026, it is no longer available. As of June 30, kasi 2026 na kita. If this is a sworn statement, so ang ano talang, ni-revise na lang yung, kasi this is available as of July 31. Pero as of June 25, this is no longer available. Kasi kung sworn statement ni Munyan pa lang, di naman ni available for realignment. So, ang pigaano talang, nire-revise
Correct.
ta si form na i-submit po kayo to. Kasi as of July 31, 2025, talagang available po to.
Mm.
Okay. I-re-revise lang siya lang.
The explanation of the accountant, Ma'am Joby Tanay, is noted. How about any comment on the ordinance, proposed ordinance? Good morning po, Mayor. Karnaper. Si walang guto po, okay na? Na-misinterpret na naman kita duman. Okay po. Thank you po. Right. We would like to session resume. We would like to recognize the appearance of our Honorable Mayor, Honorable Edelson Murphy. We are now considering, my good mayor, the ordinance which will remedy and put to rest the controversy regarding the supplemental budget number 3 for 2025 of the LGU of Libmanan.
Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yes, Honorable Alex Mendoza.
Thank you po. Ang subject ordinance po for amendment is 25-03, wherein previous sessions nagkaigwa na po kita ning amendments. So ano po ang ano ang appreciation ta kani? Iyon na nian sa tong susunod doon. Anong mangyayari po duman sa amended ordinance ta na repassage of
It
the
was also
appropriate ordinance?
recommended, if I am correct, Ma'am Joby, that the other ordinances that we pass, ordinance seeking reconsideration and the other ordinance which subsequently follows should be withdrawn by us and should be retrieved so that they will not pass on it anymore. They will not consider them in the regular session. So only this amendment.
So nasa ina po Mr. Presiding Officer ang possession ko niyan kan si amended appropriation ordinance ta.
Ano?
Na-submit po ba ini sa province?
Na-submit naman, pig-withdraw ta na.
Withdraw.
And then we will make the necessary legislative action on the withdrawal of the said
Now about
ordinances.
Mr. Presiding Officer, how about we declare or withdraw first the ordinance
We will make the necessary motion.
before the passage of this appropriation ordinance?
Yes.
I think Councilor Bulaong is the movant of that ordinance. I don't know.
Seeking
Si
reconsideration.
record
I
for
think
in due respect duman sa author po na pwedeng ano ang masisay niya kung okay sa iya na i-withdraw mo niyan din we will act accordingly.
Sige.
A few days ago, Miss Adelco talked to me na may recommendation na yung technical committee to withdraw the said
Excuse me,
ordinance.
Ma'am Cruzet, the question is very simple. Please answer. Who was the author of that ordinance seeking for reconsideration?
Honorable Bulaong.
Honorable Bulaong. Honorable Bulaong, can you please make the necessary motion withdrawing or your sponsorship of that ordinance?
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Presiding Officer. But before I agree to the withdrawal of the, I think that is an ordinance. May I know the reason behind why we need to withdraw such an ordinance which is approved by this council unanimously?
Yes, it should be withdrawn so that we can make the necessary amendment to the original supplemental budget that we pass for review to the Sangguniang Palalawigan of Camarines Sur.
As far as I know, Mr. Presiding Officer, that's already the answer. Iyan pong tiguro lang yung tango niyan. Iyon na po si Simbagta. Almost the same as this. If you look at this ordinance, halos parehas man lang po niya ang laog kani ang content kani the suggestions of Ma'am Joby, the suggestions of budget officer is similarly and almost the same of what we transpired during the previous session. May po ko nahihiling na problema kasi subagot dadawag ko na nga ni. Ini pong paliwanag na iniyo, iyon na po na stick paliwanag din na previously and this is subject for the amendment.
The trouble is we have to exceed whatever the direction is made by the Sangguniang Palalawigan through its technical committee. We have to follow them so that our supplemental budget number 3 will be passed.
Mr. Presiding Officer,
Yes,
for
Honorable Mayor.
Okay. Thank you for the recognition, Mr. Presiding Officer. This is the answer with regards to the question of Honorable Councilor Bulaong. Since this week, our budget officer, Ma'am Juby and Ma'am Adele and our accountant, Ma'am Juby and Ma'am Nadia, attend to the committee hearing regarding the supplemental budget number 3 on the with regards to the problem of the declared inoperative budget of supplemental number 3. So the committee recommends that this format must be this ordinance must be recalled the resolution and the ordinance that given by the Sangguniang Bayan and pass a new ordinance with this kind of format po. Because according to this ordinance, the where assess po, nandun ang importanteng mga ingredients to explain kung bakit po nangyari yung sa other maintenance and operating expenses ng RHU3 and kailangan nating ma-repeal ito sa supplemental budget number 3. So
Okay.
ito po yung tamang format para accepted po ng committee and ng Sangguniang Panlalawigan.
Okay, Mr. President, thank you very much, Mayor. Since we are discussing the previous ordinance and the present ordinance that we need to pass this morning, Mr. Presiding Officer, I would like to request the Secretary to please provide us the copy of the previous ordinance so as to see whether the previous ordinance is different from the format that we are trying to pass this morning. Because as far as I'm concerned, Mr. Presiding Officer, all of these whereas and so on and so forth was already included on the previous ordinance that we passed.
Mr. Presiding Officer.
I would like to request Mr. Presiding Officer, Secretariat, please.
Pinapuko ako na ba di?
And then I would like to clarify. Yes. Likewise, Mr. Presiding Officer, I would like to clarify that the Sangguniang Bayan is 100% in support whatever the recommendations of the Sangguniang Bayan recommendations. What we are trying to discuss this morning is just so as not make any confusion to the previous ordinance and the ordinance that we are trying to pass this morning.
Mr. Presiding
That's only
Officer.
the reason, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Mr. Presiding Officer, please.
Before I recognize anyone, may I know from the good mayor if he is already done? Okay. Honorable Alex Mendoza is recognized.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Nagigirumduman ko po ang ipinasarta digding appropriation ordinance amending 25-03 ay repassage of an ordinance na igwa po ning kadikit na modification. So, ining pagpapasarta po ngunya na ordinance ay naka-specific or specifying particular source of funds under MOE na tigtutukoy tangani po RHU3 40,000 other MOE. So pig specific na lang po sa sarong portion. Piglilinaw ko lang po digdi Mr. Presiding Officer na dapat maipresentar sa to digdi si pigpasartang repassage of appropriation ordinance. Ano ang pagkakaiba? Nyao na ba ini duman or igwa ba duman ning dapat pang kung naka-specify na ni duman, ano ta kaipuhan ta pang mag-pasting bago? Dapat maipresentar po sa tudigdi si pig aprobanta nga reklarado po sa tuya agabos kung ano ang mga wordings nan mayo duman asin yaon ngunyan digdi sa presente tangari mabarabadan sita po arin ba po ang pwede pang ibugtak pa digdi na mas mapusog po sa tuya pong ining claims na mag-repass or mag-amend na naka-specify lang po ang 40,000 na ini sa other MOE.
If my memory serves me right, after this supplemental budget number 3 was declared inoperative in its entirety, we passed 2 ordinances and 1 resolution. The first ordinance was to reconsider. We were seeking for reconsideration for declaring our supplemental budget number 3 for being inoperative in its entirety. And the second ordinance was another ordinance proposed by the mayor's office, which we passed also, that according to them, that was the remedy itself. And then all of a sudden, we have now again another recommendation. We have to clarify everything.
Yes.
If we have already remedied the situation, and why all of a sudden we have to retrieve and withdraw the other ordinances. Okay.
Mr. Presiding Officer, kung daiman po ako napapasala, correct me if I'm wrong, ang pinasarta po na sarong measure ay resolution seeking for reconsideration duman sa naging review po kang budget. So resolution and sarong ordinance po. Kung dahil po ako napapasala.
That's correct. I stand corrected. So we need the resolution and the other ordinance before this.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Yes, Honorable Mayor.
Okay. In my understanding po, this new ordinance po na ipapasata, mabikol na lugod ako, di ko tuod pala, lawi. Duman sa lumang ordinance, pig incorporate ta po, ay pig itemize ta, so laman na MOOE in the amount of, kung di po ako napapasala, 400,000. Pero digdi sa new ordinance ta, tig-specify lang, kasi ang nangyari, so supplemental budget 3 na kinuanan sa RHU3 budget, ang approved budget is naka-general, ang maintenance and operating expenses. Naka-general, ibig sabihin naka-total. Pero ang nakopyahan ng budget office, yung sinubmit, yung LIP, na naka-itemize ang PPAs. Kaya para ma-cure yung source of fund, kaya naging inoperative po ang supplemental budget number 3 because the source of fund is different from the proposed ordinance na supplemental number 3. Para ma-cure ta po, i-amend na po ang supplemental number 3 for the appropriation ordinance number 25-03 na ma-specify natin yung maintenance and operating expenses na 40,000 pesos para maitama natin yung supplemental number 3 duman sa yan po ang recommendation sa sangguniang
Yes po.
panlalawigan.
Mr. Presiding Officer, can
Yes,
I comment?
Honorable
Yes po.
Fidel.
As explained by Ma'am Marcel and Ma'am Juby, ito pong annual budget parang general. Parang argayan. Ito pong itong sa ining other MOA, ano po, yaon naman sa 420. Then, duman sa pig-submit tang supplemental, parang naka-itemize. Kaya si pagkaintindi duman sa sangguniang panlalawigan is nawawara hain itong itemize na ito, taday na hiling, parang garo-aro kayan. Ngunyan po, nariribong lang, bako lang garo ako, dahil ining yaon sa tuya pong pigtaong computation na iyon ni ang ordinance na isasubmit tama po na yaon digdi ang sahurihan ining other MOA na 40,000. Ano po? Di para sa pag-intindi ko para mag-jive siya duman sa nasa annual budget. Parang araw kayan. Kaya si sa tuyang supplemental dahil ito na-approve dahil nga ni nakalaog si sa annual budget parang in general. Hinahanap ninda ini yung parang ibabalik din sa dati. Yan kung tama ang si pakaintindi ko. Ano, Ma'am Marcel? Yan.
Mr. Presiding Officer, for
Yes,
recognition po.
please.
Yaon na po digdi ang copy kang ordinance na sinasabing ni-recall ta sa Sangguniang Bayan, an ordinance repealing a specific portion of supplemental budget number 3, calendar year 2025, and realigning the appropriated amount in the lump sum for other maintenance and other operating expenses of Rural Health Unit 3. So, magkaiba po ang tenor kang repeal sa amend. So, ang gusto po, a recommendation from the Sangguniang Panlalawigan Committee na instead of repealing the ordinance, we need to amend only the portion kung saan napasala. So, that's why po, ining 40,000, iyo lang po ni si mahayo duman na specify. Kaya i-specify ta sa tuyang ordinance, specify ta duman sa supplemental budget number 3. So, yan po ang naging outcome. Anyway, ako din po ang nag-ibo kay ining inot na ining ordinansa na ini po ang akala kong tama. But anyway, we need to follow kung ano po ang sinasabi kang panlalawigan review. So, ako po, I would suggest na aram ko po, gabos man kita nag-aadal, gabos man kita research, pero ini po recommendation from the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. So instead of repealing, we need only to amend a portion of our supplemental number 3 on the another ordinance po.
Iguana ka mo
Okay,
kanino.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, Mr.
Ordinance.
President.
Mr. Chair,
Can I comment?
may I?
Follow up po.
Ang apot ko lang muna, iguana ka mo kaniyong ordinance number 26-10.
Okay.
Iguana.
Okay, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Honorable Piday first and then Honorable Cherry.
So po, because sa tuyang ordinance repealing, so we must first withdraw a resolution withdrawing or recalling the ordinance repealing a specific portion para ma-clear ano po.
Yes.
Then instead we will pass another ordinance, an ordinance amending the appropriation. Parang malinig na nawara to. Ipo-pull out na po ito. Kaya po may record kitang pull out bako dahil winidraw ta lang literally or duman kay puhan igwa kitang papel
Resol-
na resolution na a resolution withdrawing or recalling the previously ordinance na sinabi ta po itong repeal, then we will pass this ordinance, an ordinance amending appropriation ordinance number tama po 25-03. Yan po, nalalabuan lang po ako si presentation kay itong 40,000.
Are you done?
Okay po, dadagdag.
Honorable Jerry Tindero.
Pwede nang i-move.
Okay, Mr. Chair. Morning po, Mayor. Anyway, ang gabos pong argumento ito, Mr. Chair, anas po ni may punto. Pero ang tigahagad ni Mayor Son Marpil, specifying ito pong problema na dapat masolusyonan ta. May mga anas may punto, pero based sa tigahagad, sabi ko kay Ma'am Joby, ano talaga ang dapat gibuhon? Yung ngayon ang tig-recommendar, dapat yun ang gibuhon ta. Mayong marawat, Mr. Chair, na kaya nga nagkaigwa kitang special session, tanganing maitakil ta ni, ning agenda po iniyo. Pero sa ko, ang tarabangan ta na po ni ko, anong tigahagad? Di tauta. Kung may problema pa, siyempre, siling ko po, base sa sabi ni Ma'am Joby sa kungunyan, ini ang tig-recommend, at arap iniyo kang komitiba, ini pong gigibuhon tang iniyo. Kaya ang appeal ko, Mr. Chair, aram, kabus po kita, may mga tiga, sabi nga ni Mayor Subago, anas mo kita talaga nag-aaradan igdi, pero kung anong tigahagad kang sanggunian, panalawigan, ano mo po tayo ito po purbaran na gibuhon ta na.
Mr. Presiding
Ngunyan, ang punto ko lang, patapusan po ko. Ang punto ko lang po igdi, gabos po kita may argumento igdi. Ako po, gabos sa tigyasapi igdi, anas may punto. Pero ang punto igdi, kung paano ito matatabangan in solusyon ng taninining, ang argumento ta papunta duman sa solusyon and bako duman sa panibagong problema. Yan ang sakuya po. Kaya, ang punto ko igdi, Mr. Chair, tama ang sabi ni Mayor, tig-research ko po yan. Iba po itong repealing sakot ito po sa pag-amendar. Iba po yan. Kaya ako ang punto ko igdi, para sa karibanan ko, tabangan ta kung ano dapat. Recommendation ang gibuhon ta igdi. And tama ito, sabi di kagawad piday. Kung ano dapat gibuhon, i-withdraw ta. Di kita pwede magpasar ng sarong ordinansa, data to tigahaling sarong ordinansa. Kasi magkakaigwa yung problema. Dapat kaliyon ta mo na to.
There will be a conflict.
Yes po. Kaya ako po, ang appeal ko sa karibanan ko, i-recommend ta na kung ano dapat ang gibuhon. Tanganing, iyon tigahagad. Di tauta. Tanganing at least, kita nagtutubod po sa komitiba kang probinsya na ini, talagang matabang man sila. Iyo po ang tukoy diyo. Tabangan ta na mag-recommend kita kung ano itong aram tayo. Sabi yun ta po. Tanganing magkaigwa na kitang conclusion, may pasarta. Ang sponsor po kani si Councilor Bulaong. Kaloy na po niya nagsabi sa ko, ang willingness niyang dapat maayos na po niya. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Honorable Alex Mendoza.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Inot na inot po, ang argumento ta po digdi, hinahanap ta po ang mga possible solusyon na mayo kitang maiipit na problema pa. Kaya nga ni nagluwas sa tuyang discussion na mailuwas si saro pong appropriation ordinance na pig-amendar ta o pig-repeal ta or ano pang man term na ginamit na mailuwas, maipresentar ta digdi, tangarig papasar ta kaning pigahagad po ni Mayor ay mayo na kitang problema. So, sa madaling sabi, mayong naghahanap diferensya, naghahanap ng solusyon ng satuyang tiglalatag digdi. Totoo din po, na sa base sa mga argumento ta po digdi, nagruruluwas ang mga idea po na tinuturuwangan, tinatarabangan ta po ang portion pong iniyo na piguurulayan tang maayos. So, minaapilar din po ako na pwede ba, minsan pa, na dangugon din ang ibang explanation. Tabaka duman sa ibang explanation ta, na daita na-appreciate niya on palang duman ang solusyon. So, sa madaling sabi po, Mr. Presiding Officer, willing, kung pwede nga ni, ako pa mag-move kaya na i-repeal yan or i-declare yan null and void yan na ordinance na yan na pig-amendaran ka, itong nag-amendar duman sa original na appropriations ordinance. Pero, Mr. Presiding Officer, igwa kaya ninduwang conflicting idea ngunyan na na-appreciate ko. Sa pagpresentar po kaning ining appropriation ordinance na niyo na amending, specifying, na-quote ko lang po, sabi ni Ma'am Joby Subago, ni Ma'am Marcel, na natungkusan din po ni Kagawad Piday, sasabi niya, na dati po sa annual budget 2025, kumbaga, lump sum siya. Tama. Ngunyan, nagpaskita ning appropriation supplemental, pig specific ta duman sa program na mayo sa annual budget for 2025 na ang gusto po ay ibalik ngunyan na lamsam uli itong 40,000. But suddenly po, nadamo ko po si explanation ni Mayor, na itong 40,000 ay i-specify duman sa program. So which is which? Arin pa ang susunod dun ta. Si idea nila na tig-presentar po ni Ma'am Joby, ni Kagawad Piday or si pig-presentar po ni Mayor. So ini po bako ning paghanap ning diferensya, pag clear ini, tangarig po klarado ang satuyang ipapaluwas na appropriation ordinance, ngarig mayo kitang problema pagbalik pag-abot duman kang satong appropriation ordinance. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
May I recognize Mr.
Yes,
President?
Honorable Mayor.
Thank you. Mr. Councilor Honorable Alex Mendoza. So sinasabi mo po na si inutang pinasang ordinansa is other MOOE, ang approve is naka-general. Si approved budget 2025, ang other maintenance and operating expenses kang RHU3 is naka-general ang na-approve.
Base po sa
Yes.
statement
Apo,
nila, ma'am.
tama. Then, si binasihan kang supplemental number 3, si LIP, yung sinabmit ng proposed budget sa tuyang probinsya, na dahil ito na-approve. Kaya nagkaigwang conflict. But, ang hinagad po sa to, tinama ta po ito, pig-adalan ta, pig-research ta, based digdi sa pinasata, and sa hiling ta po tama. But definitely, si hiling tang tama, may mga instances po na may mga legal basis kitang ibang sinusunod. Para po kaya sa ko ang batas, dahil pwede ang common sense. It is a legal basis na dapat ang sunodon na may mga kanya-kanyang protocol po ang satong budget, approve kang budget. So, ngunyan, ang suggestion po duman sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan Committee is to amend only the supplemental number 3, the portion kung saan kita naging inoperative. And then, based digdi sa whereases, so, include among source of funds identified in a supplemental budget number 3 are the unobligated balances of the Cancer Awareness Program and Operation Tuli Program under Rural Health Unit 3 amounting to 20,000 pesos each or total of 40,000 pesos. Whereas appropriations of Cancer Awareness Program and Operation Tuli Program from part of the other maintenance and operating expenses appropriations under calendar year 20 annual budget of LGU Libmanan. Whereas to comply the observation contained in Review Resolution number 114 series of 2025, it is necessary to specifically identify and reflect that the other maintenance and operating expense account of Rural Health Unit 3 is among the source of fund of supplemental budget number 3. Whereas LBP from number 161-B pertaining to supplemental budget number 3 for Rural Health Unit 3 has been correspondingly revised and shall form an integral part of this ordinance. So, tiglaag ta na po so explanation, digdi sa whereases, tangarig po ma-specify and ma-approve po kang sa tuyang budget office sa probinsya. And for recommendation pa din po ini, kang sa indang committee, and pag napasa po, na-approve kang committee, then it is forwarded na po sa sa panlalawigan for a passage of resolution declaring operative na po ang satuyang budget.
Okay, Mr. Chair, Attorney. Malinaw po ang manifestation, Mr. Chair, ni Mayor. Siguro hagadan to pong comment si Ma'am Juby. Tangani pong atistig sabi po ni Mayor. Ma'am Juby, please, ano po ang...
Ma'am Joey, igwa kaming previous legislative actions na ginibudigdi referring to resolution number 26-180. This is the resolution seeking for reconsideration of Appropriation Ordinance 25-03. And another Municipal Ordinance 2016 entitled an ordinance repealing a specific portion of the supplemental budget, which for the present we need to cancel.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
However, in the resolution number 26-180, although it is seeking for reconsideration, which is a proper remedy for us to do, the whereas mentioned in this resolution does not comply with what the Sangguniang Palalawigan wants to remedy. Kasi yaong manggiraray digdi si sa indong breakdown ng mga expenses.
Yes.
Ni sala manggiraray niyong resolution tang ini na nag-i-explain kita kang mga bagay-bagay.
Yes.
So we have to recall this resolution number 26180 and municipal ordinance number 2610 dahil this will run in conflict
May conflict
with
din.
our proposed new ordinance which the Sangguniang Palalawigan is recommending, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So everything is now clear. We have to pass
Okay.
an ordinance
Declaring.
declaring ordinance number 2610 and resolution number 26-180 as withdrawn or cancelled altogether.
I move, Mr. Presiding Officer.
I joined the motion.
The movement should the previous sponsor, Honorable
Okay.
I share the motion, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Okay. Mr. Presiding Officer,
Yes.
First and foremost, we need to clarify everything before we
Di pa
move for a motion.
nagkaklarado.
Ang maliwanag po kay IDO, Mr. Presiding Officer, ini po Municipal Ordinance 26-10, inapruba na kan Sanggunian
Correct.
unanimously. Mahapot ko daw po muna si ma'am kung ini pong Municipal Ordinance 26-10 nakaabot na po sa Sangguniang Palalawigan.
It was already submitted.
May I have
According
the-
to
Can I have please a copy of the receipt coming from the Sangguniang Palalawigan? Tangarig maaraman ta po kung talagang na-receive na.
in fact, iyo po yan ang saro sa mga recommendation kang Sangguniang Palalawigan na i-recall ta.
Kaya po anta pong maramang kung na-receive na kasi di po malog ang very specific provision kan 7160.
Na
Ang appropriation ordinance po kaya once na-receive na kan Sangguniang Palalawigan, igwa na po sila ng review of appropriation ordinance. Kan June 2, na-receive na ninda, and tinatawa na po sila ng poder na reviewon ining appropriation ordinance sa tigpasarta. Ang sabi igdiyo, maliwanag na the Sangguniang Palalawigan shall review the ordinance authorizing annual or supplemental appropriation of component city and municipality in the same manner and within the same period prescribed for the review of other ordinances. If within 90 days from the receipt of the copy, since na-receive po ninda ni, June 2,
June 2.
90 days from the receipt of copy of such ordinance, the Sangguniang Palalawigan take no action thereon, the same shall be deemed to be being reviewed in accordance with law and shall continue to be in full force and effect.
Excuse me.
Yes.
If within the same period, the Sangguniang Palalawigan shall have ascertained that the ordinance authorizing annual or supplemental appropriation has not complied with the requirements set forth in this title, the Sangguniang Palalawigan shall, within 90 days period, herein above prescribe, declare such ordinance inoperative in its entirety or in part. Ang buti pong sabihin na Mr. Presiding Officer, ini pong pinasartang Municipal Ordinance 26-10, na-receive po kan June 2.
They have 90 days.
They have 90 days to review
And
The-
this, let me talk. And this municipal ordinance number 26 then is scheduled to be
Calendar.
calendared on Monday,
Yes po.
June 29.
Yes.
June 29, this
Yes.
coming Monday,
Yes, yes.
Pero
so that they can act on it accordingly. That is within the 90-day period.
Mm.
So before June 29, they are requesting us to withdraw it so that they will not
Take action.
take action on it.
Kasi we cannot afford another disapproval.
yes,
Yes.
recommended by the committee.
Ini kaya po nga tigor layan ta argon yan. Igual naman sila ni sabi ta may committee recommendations na naman. Ali sa sangguniang ang panlalawigan for review. We'll take actions on that without the copy of the committee recommendation. Yun naman ang nahihiling ko po. And then, maliwanag po kaya ang sinasabi ang sa tuyang ordinance upon receive may force and effect. Maliwanag po.
Actually,
Mr. Presiding Officer, for recognition po.
Yes.
Ang sinasabi po with full force and effect as a law. Pag once na-receive na ninda.
Yes, Honorable Mayor.
Okay, thank you for the recognition, Mr. Presiding Officer. Honorable Bulaong, with your respect po, ang pinag-uulayan ta po digdi is the supplemental number 3 and so pinasata po is an repeal on the ordinance. Bako pong appropriation ordinance and bako ding supplemental budget. It's just a repeal on the portion of the supplemental budget. And you have the discretion, kasi bako na pala akong councilor, you have the discretion to recall it back. If the majority agreed upon that the ordinance must be recalled because there is a problem on the its passage, so mayo man po akong nahihiling na conflict na pwede tang i-recall as long as po day pa siya na tackle and pang recommendation ang sangguniang panlalawigan. So kaya nga po nagkaroon ng recommendation yung committee na before i-tackle iyan dapat ma-recall para ma-correct and ang ma-calendar itong tamang appropriation na tamang sibagotang ordinance na requesting for amendments of portion ng ng supplemental budget number 3. So para po sa ko, based naman sa binasa mo, tama po ika na we have 90 days. Pero halatong taang 90 days na pwede kita mag-take ng action. Why we wait 3 months kung kaya tamang gibuhon lang na i-recall ta and repass ta, mas mabilis para sa to. And remember po, our obligation is to give service to the people. Kung madidelay po ang process, mahalat kita ng 90 days, mas ako favorable po ako sa pag-recall kang sa tuyang pigpasang ordinansa and resolution. And instead of waiting for 90 days, we need to act accordingly based on the recommendation of the Sangguniang Bayan Committee, Sangguniang Bayan Committee on Appropriation ba yun? Tama.
Okay.
Sangguniang Palalawigan Appropriation.
Okay, thank you very much, Mayor. Actually, we have the same appreciation patungkol po sa guwabo talagang madelay. But with respect to the other members of this council, the passage of the Municipal Ordinance 26-10 is also based on the recommendations of the committee. If you remember, sa appearance po ni Ma'am, maliwanag nating sabi sa tuya that this is the thing that we need to do to fix and cure the supplemental budget number 3. That is why, based on the recommendation, nagkasararo kita, kung hihilingon mo nga ni Igdio, basahon ko,
Sala nani.
Sala si appreciation.
Mr. Chairman.
Yeah. Alam mo po,
With all due respect po kay Councilor Bulaong, maray na po ngani ni nandain na nakaabot duman sa proper review. Pero
Nakaabot
si,
na po.
si committee na mismo po dahil pa siya nare-review sa ngunyan maray na ngani po na sinda na mismo ang nag-advise na i-recall, ibalik, i-recall, i-withdraw. So that mean inaako po ninda na ito makakapagabat pa
Yes.
sa kung re-reviewin pa ito. Kaya nga ni may recommendation. Ngunyan, ano ba ang pinakamadaling gibuhon? Anong pinakamadali? Siguro yun na ni, i-withdraw ta na ini. With all due respect,
Okay.
Council Buraong.
Yes.
Anyway, ang pigpasartaman ay form part curative measure sa hunatang problema na bako pa lang siya ang solusyon. Pero bako siyang appropriation ordinance curative measure. Simple ordinance na tigta-target si aram tang problema na bako pa lang po ito ang solusyon na tigahagan.
Okay. Mr. Presiding Officer, yaw po kita ideyo for deliberation. Tiga-adalan ta, gawos na mga nag-exchange kita ng thoughts, ideas, at tangarig mako ata ang gabos na opinion ng kada saro. Sometimes we believe that we are correct, but definitely in the long run, we find out that our belief that we are correct are definitely wrong. And then ito pong inuuna ta na sara, iyo pala ang tama. So in this regard, mas maayinan po na tigdideliberan tani. We are not making it fast. Kaya nga ni dapat saro sa tuya kung pwede magkaigo kita ng exchange sa idea. Tangarig makuwata ang punto kang kada saro. Kasi po kung ito nga ning inot na sinasabi ta iyo na ang solusyon, iyo na ang bulong, nagkasararo kita, mayo nga ni saro nagkontra, and then after that maaaraman ta based on the recommendation sala. So there is a possibility that the recommendation also might be wrong if we will not discuss this thoroughly in this August body. So that is my point. Kaya nga tinitindugan ko po, Mr. Presiding Officer, that before we cancel or before I withdraw this ordinance, my colleagues must give us a valid reason and arguments that the author, as myself, be convinced that indeed I need to withdraw my sponsorship on this ordinance. Kasi kung hindi na ko makukumbinsi, Mr. Presiding Officer, I will stand on my authorship as in the municipal ordinance kasi sinda nga ni kumbinsido kadto eh. Pangon niya nagkaigwan ng bagong argumento, yaano naman sinda idi sa bagong argumento.
Okay. Thank you very
It
much.
is disregarding the previous arguments.
Thank
Okay,
you
Mr.
very
Chair.
much, Honorable Romel Bulao.
Okay,
To be very candid, we always allow deliberation here. We allow debate, we allow discussion, and there is always exchange of ideas. But if a member of this august body becomes very circuitous already, then the presiding officer should come in. And everything was explained, and even our accountant is in conformity with whatever there is already a motion previously sponsored by Honorable Alex Mendoza that we have to withdraw this ordinance, municipal ordinance number 26-10. We are just seeking respect and conformity also from the author himself, Honorable Romel Bulao. Everything is being said. Gabus naman na nagkairintindihan ta na dapat ta talagang withdraw ni tangani makabuelo, tangani dai maging in conflict sa mga dati tang naging lakdang digdiyo na ang sabi kang sangguniang palalawigan sala. Okay?
The trouble, Mr. Presiding Officer,
Yes.
that we will make a solutions on the said ordinance na sala, even a single piece of document stating that so mayo man kita that is a mere manifestations by the
Yes, if after passage of this new ordinance, which they have recommended for us to follow, na mayo mangyari mangyayari, aram ta na ang rason.
Tama.
Yeah? We follow them for the last time. For the last time. As relayed to us by our municipal accountant who attended the committee hearing of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan.
Anyway, Mr. Presiding Officer, if that is the request of the members of this council, since I am the sponsor, Mr. Presiding Officer, although it is against my will to withdraw this municipal ordinance, I accede to the majority. So I move, Mr. Presiding Officer, for the withdrawal of the municipal ordinance number 26-10.
Yes. Also,
Also the resolution.
On motion of Honorable, on joint motion of Honorable Romel Bulaong and Honorable Alex Mendoza.
together me. Also,
Kagawad pilay man po da.
Mr. Presiding Officer, can
Yes.
I add? Resolution, withdrawing and recalling and other related measures. The resolution number 26.
Let us be very
Yes,
brief
po.
about this.
Yes, po.
We will recall and withdraw municipal ordinance
Ordinance.
number 26-10 and resolution number 26-180.
Yes,
Okay?
po. Yes, po.
On joint motion of Honorable Alex Mendoza and Romel Bulaong, let municipal ordinance, Arimasino Titi.
The first, the resolution mo na po. Resolution number.
Let resolution 26-80 and municipal ordinance number 2610 be withdrawn, cancelled, and declared inoperative and ineffective. And let a copy of this resolution, of this ordinance, I mean, to be furnished, to be furnished the Sangguniang Palalawigan of Camarines Sur. Any other objections?
Remarks.
Presiding Officer.
Question of clarification, I am confused.
Yes po. Honorable Alex Mendoza.
Mr. Presiding Officer, ang question ko ay, kaipuhan ta ba bang i-copy parnis ang Sangguniang Panlalawigan considering na daiman po ini naglaog sa record po kang committee ang pag-review kani?
Dapat. All municipal ordinances dapat copy-furnished. This, so that they are also notified accordingly that we have already officially withdrawn.
Okay.
The Sangguniang Bayan of Limanan itself has officially withdrawn the two legislative actions. Okay?
You answer my discombobulated issue, Mr. Presiding Officer. Thank you.
Yes.
My remarks, Mr. Presiding Officer. Since I mentioned that it is against my will to withdraw because this is the first time it's happened to this August body, the withdrawal of the municipal ordinance which was approved unanimously by this August body. So I urge the resource person next time around that if they are given information, sabi ninda kaya iyon na daan ang solusyon. And then that is the statement given by our resource speaker. Sa inya ko inhali, hali ngayon dumasinda na ngayon ka nagtao. And then suddenly, we find out. So, tanong po ta sinasabi ko ni, sampaling ni sa tuya. Tapos diliribaran ta, aproban kang majority. So, nagluluwas, dahil lamang tig-ardala ning bagay na inita. Pag abot ning oras, mayo man lang pala nalaga si tigpasarta, sala
The
pala.
remarks of Honorable Romel Bulaong is noted and well taken and be recorded accordingly. Any other remarks, comments, objections, hearing none? The motion is carried. Do I hear any motion for the approval of the ordinance?
Presiding Officer, before that, yung nga din po itong sa bago po na confusion sa part ko po na si explanation ni Ma'am Juby na pigkatigan po ang pakaintindi ni Kagawad Piday saka explanation po ni Mayor, iba po ning kadikit pong issue. Sabi po ni Mayor, dapat i-enumerate po digdi sa bago, pero ang sabi po duman sa bago, dapat ilamsam dahil i-pattern duman sa 2025 budget.
Maliwanag na ang gusto kang Sangguniang Palalawigan is i-pattern ta duman sa annual budget 2025 ta.
So,
Dahil duman, mayo duman ng enumeration, mayo duman ng specification. Nagkataon lang pag-abot sa supplemental budget number 3 ta, big breakdown ta. Si other MOOE. Kaya dapat ilam sa manggiraray sa other MOOE. Kaya yun ang ginigibot ang unya.
so last question, Mr. Presiding
Yes.
Officer. Ma'am Juby, do we hit the nail on the head?
Natatakot na ko. Okay. Ini po during the committee hearing, ang ano po ninda, itong submitted tang resolution and ordinance, ang ano ninda, kung if they are going to take that up, medyo aram ta na ang magiging answer because they nga ni panakukure itong sa no. So we cannot afford a disapproval of our ordinance makanus na presentation duman sa budget tang supplemental number 3. Garo ano na naman kumbaga madodouble na tong supplemental budget number 3.
Double
So,
ikes.
yes. So, kung ano po, di mas maray, naggarumayo mo na to para makabuelo kita, kaining remedyo ta.
Anyway,
So,
we have
yeah,
already
po.
passed that
Yes po.
remedy.
So, ito pong,
Itong explanation po ni Attorney pig-elaborate niya, sabi
Opo,
ko, do we
tama po
hit the
to.
nail on the head? So we
Yes
can
po.
sponsor ordinance.
oo. Yes po, kasi talagang mayo sa annual budget, itong mga cancer awareness. Mayo duman sa annual budget. Okay.
Okay?
So, anya,
Okay.
Any motion?
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer. For that, I move an ordinance amending appropriation ordinance number 25-03 covering supplemental budget number 3 of LGU Libmanan, whereby specifying the source of fund for the other maintenance and operating expenses of Rural Health Unit 3 in the amount of 40,000 pesos. On motion, Mr. Chairman.
Do I hear any second? On motion of Honorable Piday Razonable. Remarks?
Remarks, Mr.
Yes,
President.
okay.
Bago magsigunda, Mr. Presiding Officer, siguro po, bago i-drop ini pong ining ordinance, appropriation ordinance, ipacheck muna po duman para sigurado po. Ano po?
Yes.
Tangarig po, pag pirma na po hindi, diretso na pong papilda. Ayan pala po, Mr. Chair.
The remarks of Honorable Daniel Coral is well noted. Honorable Romel Bulao.
Okay, ang remarks ko po, Mr. Presiding Officer, maliwanag, iinot po kaya ang sabi itong ordinance na inoperative in its entirety. Gabus. Dahil siya ma-operate ng entirety kasi may problema. So, buot sabihin, the entire ordinance are defective. Tama po. Gabus.
That is what the review says.
Yes.
Mm.
If that is defective as a whole, dahil daw dapat na mapasang kita ng bago. Kasi, kung aamindaran mo as a whole, arin naman ang aamindaran mo, nagabos nga ni ito, depektibo.
Can I also add
Yes,
remarks? Mr.
Honorable Mayor, you're recognized.
Okay. According to the recommendation of the committee, ang naging problema tapo is the amount of 40,000 pesos only. Because the source of fund is unavailable po. Kumbaga, day man matali ang duwang ang ordinansa sa budget kasi may sobra. Day nagtatama. So para maitama, we need to amend na i-elaborate na itong 40,000 is yaon duman mahihiling sa other maintenance and operating expenses kang RHU3 according to the title oni po baga.
Yes, Mayor.
So ipapahiling ta nangarig masilag na yaon duman sa laog katong other maintenance and operating expenses. And ang ma-explain din kato na yaon ito duman ining mga whereases na nila agta po.
Iya po.
So na-declare siyang in its entirety because the source of fund is the parehas duman sa supplemental.
Yes.
Kaya dahil siya pwedeng gamiton, taday man nga ni siya tama. So dapat kaya align ang duwa, the budget, the source, and the supplemental. Kung saan harali, kung saan din paduman. So anong nangyari, nagsiko si sarong portion, kaya in its entirety, dahil siya pwedeng gamiton.
Yes.
Kung nagiging portion lang, kung tama po, nagswak, pero nagkamali lang sa title, may portion lang duman na dahil siya pwedeng gamiton.
Yes.
Pero ang nangyari kaya, si budget ang nagka-problema.
Correct.
Si amount, bako po si mga letters.
Yes, correct.
That's why, dineclare na in its entirety because the source of fund is different from the supplemental budget.
Correct.
To correct it, we need to amend na dapat ining 40,000 mas specify ta na yaon ini sa other maintenance and operating expenses sa RHU3 na iyo po ang hinagad sa to.
That is
And then
correct.
with regards naman duman sa query na sinabi ta kaya na ang na-approve is lansam and ang nakuanan ta is si LEAP. So pigpasatang budget, kaya ang ginibutang remedy is repeal. Tama din po ito in my appreciation. But ini po ang pinaka-appropriate based duman po sa budget approval po sa sangguniang panlalawigan review. So para po sa ko, ini po, big shortcut na kita, na nag-focus ini na i-ano ta lang po, i-elaborate ta po na nasa laog kang other maintenance and operating expenses ang 40 million na hinahanap sa tuya. Ay 40,000, I'm sorry rather. 40,000 na hinahanap sa tuya. Ini po ang pinaka-shortcut na ordinansa na dahil nakaipuhan, ilan sam tatong i-specify tatong other maintenance and operating expenses kang RHU3, data nakaipon i-specify, ini lang
Yes.
i-explain ta lang na incorporate na si 40,000 duman sa other maintenance and operating expenses kang RHU3 para ma-recognize kang budget na dapat siyang aprubahan.
Yeah. Tama ka po dyan, Mayor. Actually, argma kaya nasa mo yung interpretation kaya. Kaya lang, kung hihilingon mo po, baga, Mayor, antig paliwanag mo po, just a portions of the entire ordinance. Ang pakagibo po kan surat, kung hihilingon mo po, basahon ta, invalid in its entirety.
Yes
Not
po.
only a portion, ha?
No po.
Bako lang tong portion na tigsasabi ta,
Yes
na
po.
40,000.
It is
The
declared
entire.
because nga ni po, na-declare siyang in its entirety because the source of fund is different from the proposed supplemental budget.
Yes.
Kaya nga
That
nito-
is correct.
To correct it, para maging operative siya, itinama ta na siya. Specify ta na.
Anyway, Honorable Romel, sa totoo lang, exaggerated man ang review kang sangguniang palalawigan. Na dapat lang ko ta, itong portion na 40 mil pesos, ang pig-declare nindang inoperative. Ta iyo man senato ang may diferensya. Kung ika ang naging board member, may taga-surug ko ta ang limanan. Salamat.
Kaya ni po, Mr. Presiding Officer, ang punto kong tigsasabi duman na since inoperative as a whole, that is not the only part that we need to fix. Do you get my point, Mr. Presiding Officer? Kasi entire eh. Now, if the entire ordinance is defective, there's nothing room for amendment. Kasi arin doon na i-amend mo, gabos nga na ito. We need to make a new one.
In the meantime, we have to follow
Eh,
the instructions and direction of the Sangguniang Palalawigan through its technical committee. If they do not accede and if they do not approve kansatuyang ordinance and then supplemental budget number 3, talagang may diferensya.
eh,
Let us cross the bridge when we reach it.
okay. last
Okay.
word sa Mr. Presiding Officer. Inot, minauyon po ako sa napagkasurundoan nyo niyan. And I also respect the authority of the Sangguniang Bayan as a review power. Sangguniang Palalawigan is a review authority. So, what we are trying to fix this morning, nagkaigwa lang kita ng mga konting debate, but that is a healthy debate. We are just exercising our mind with regards to this matter. So, thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Okay. Any other remarks, comments, objections? Hearing none. Said motion is hereby carried.
When is the submission, Mr. Presiding Officer?
It should be done ASAP and
Ano po ang kudatilya sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan Review no arinta po ini i-repass i-submit
mayo man gayod.
mayo man pong sinabi.
Actually,
Siguro
if
po-
we send it today, pwede ninda ning makalendar. Or,
Napaka-vital po kasi pasiring ako duman sa sinabi po ni Cap Daniel na
Now-
dapat si draft ay maipahiling ta muna po sa inda kung okay na sa inda then pipirmahan ta na po. Tangarig makakitang problema.
actually, with all your respect po, we already sent the draft of the proposed ordinance.
Okay naman.
And according to them, it is ano po,
Compliant.
Kaya, Mr. Chair, siguro po, ang willingness mong kang mga pag-iriba niyaon, yaon pa man po kita. Ano mo pwede man kita magalat-halat po, mapirmanta na po yan.
Correct.
Ipo baga, taano po.
Please
Anas po ang mga tataramon, taanas papunta sa
finalize the draft of this ordinance, Ma'am Cruzet, and we will be waiting for it and we will sign it immediately
thank you.
today
And,
while we are having our lunch.
yes, and after po kayo, magtimtang kape kita, listoryani po baga,
Okay.
habang nagalat.
There
And,
being no other matters to be heard, session is
Mr. Chair,
adjourned.
wait po, Mr. Presiding Officer. I would like to take this opportunity. May kasalang bayan po kita sa Barangay Bahaw. Anyone po na available na pwede mag-iba kay Mayor. Ngunyan po, na hapon.
Anong oras?
After this po, maduman na po si Mayor. Paka-lunch po, nindo pwede ka mo magsunod.
Mayor, may our humble apology if, deposits of the supplemental number 3 nagkakaigwa pa ni mga RKN. But rest assured that the support of this council is always at your hand. So the purpose of the debate is to get just the most weighted opinion of each other.
Noted po.
Okay, thank
Any
you.
other concerns? No more. Session adjourned.